So this is to show you guys how to use Padlet. So the first thing you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to make an account. So you're gonna go here. Now I'm gonna show you something that's gonna be a little bit different. So it's already logging on to the student account, but yours isn't gonna look like this because you haven't made an account yet, unless you've used it in another class, which is not likely. So you're gonna click log in with Google. And then I'm just gonna use an account I don't think has a Padlet yet, so I can show you from that. So you are gonna go to select your membership. Please make sure you're clicking basic. I don't want you guys paying $8 a month, and the school doesn't pay for that for you. So it's going to go here, or it might say nothing to see here, and that's okay. You're actually gonna go back to the class, and then you're going to click on My Mini Autobiography. And you're gonna read the instructions carefully. When you are ready to post, you just sorry, excuse me, you just click this little plus sign. It'll say the name. Now it says that's my email address. That's why it's under Ian and Kim Manis, which is my husband's name. Feel free to give it a little title if you want. If you don't want to give it a title, that's okay. But you are going to write in this place your autobiography. Please make it at least 3 sentences. You can add things to it if your autobiography was too short. You can change things if your autobiography was really personal and you don't want everyone else to read everything you wrote. Feel free to change it, but I'd like it to be at least 3 sentences. And then you're going to go in and you're going to post or reply to 2 other people with at least a full sentence. Notice it says cool or hi won't work, but feel free to greet people in a full sentence and comment on what they wrote. Be extremely respectful and kind in your replies. Replies that are less than kind will receive no points. So remember, even if it's your best friend you're replying to, you're not going to crack on them. You're going to be very kind because this is going to be an academic type thing. We're going to be using this for most of our discussion posts. So this is something I want you guys to get used to doing. All right, so that's it. I hope that helps. Have a great day.